Is this new?
Oh, newish.
You making some rings?
They could be.
Where's the lathe?
Yeah.
Oh, you moved it.
We've got an order in for some cobalt, some zirconium, and some Damascus steel. So that is coming soon, but it'll be a work in progress because we've never done it before. Let's do both of those now. We'll do them simultaneously. I'll draw down the material to 0.9 of a mil, and then I'll draw down the second lot of material to, let's go 0.7 of a mil, and then hammer the hell out of it. .5 square stock gauge, and it's roughly about, what's that? 11.5 mil in length. This will stretch out to be quite long, so I actually don't need all of it, but I'll roll the whole lot down to 2 mil square and then chop off half of it, put it into the box for resizes later. We don't need to anneal it to start with because it's yellow gold, and yellow gold's quite nice to work with. We're down at 2 mil. Oh. So now we anneal it, because it's been work hardened a little bit, and chop off half of it, roll out the rest of it to 1 mil square, taper the end, and then draw it. So drawing material is pulling the gold through a plate that is designed to make it round or square or whatever shape the actual die is, but it conforms to the shape of the hole. These are draw tongs. You go Okay, I'm gonna make one at 0.7 as well. .9, 0.7, 0.5. So I'm going to take the shortest length, which is the 0.7 mil thick, and I'm just going to bend that around. Because it's so thin, you can actually bend it with your fingers. Solder. And this is the one that we're gonna absolutely belt. Well, belt relative to the size. That's size H, so it started at size A, now it's size H. Okay, that's actually ridiculous at this point. Like, it's so thin that it's like that. So this ring is now 0.16 mil thick, and that's stretched out to 1 mil in width. So it's doubled in width and more than halved in height. A little bit of flex, but it's okay. Now the weight difference between them, they're all the same finger size. 0.9 mil one is half a gram. 0.7 mil one is 0.3 of a gram. The small one is 0.13 of a gram. So just while I run through the polishing process on that, I just wanted to give my verdict on what I think about these rings. So these rings, the 0.9 of a mil works, the 0.7 of a mil kind of works, the 0.5 definitely does not. So 0.5 of a mil is too thin. The 0.9 can withstand regular daily use. The only thing that I would suggest with that is that you wear multiples of them. So the more that you have on your finger of those ones, they combine. So the flex is stretched over the three of them. They give a little bit less when there's more of them there. So I actually have a student that comes in and makes those whenever there's enough to sit down and make a whole day of it. The last thing I'm going to do with this project is that I'm going to go outside and take some photos with the macro. I'm just grabbing some things for the set design. So I'll grab this little hammer because it looks cool. This is an offcut from the bench that I have over here. The props are also for scale so that you can tell what it is. So you're better off picking something that you're constantly going to have in the shots. So this hammer is probably one of the things that I'll have in these shots. What else? See if I can find something. Okay, so I've got the last thing that I'm going to take outside to use as a set render. This, I don't know what this is, but it's copper and it's got like a nice little patina on it. That rough texture on there with the green, it should show up fairly nicely. I will see you tomorrow. That's my gas bottle. That's what that photography setup looks like.